Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change a region on the Moovit app. This can help you get better activity tracking and location-specific features. Open the Moovit app on your device. Tap on the three horizontal lines in top left corner of the screen. Go to Settings. Now, select Region. A list of available regions will appear. Browse and choose the region you want to set. First, you need to select the country, and then the available regions within that country will appear. For example, I previously had Serbia selected, but now I'll select Italy. On the screen, you can see a wide range of available regions for this country. I'll select the region around the city of Milan. The region will change quickly depending on your internet speed and your phone's performance. This was the longer method. For a quicker way to change regions, simply tap this option in the top right corner and select your desired region. I hope this video was helpful. Note that this second method is not available everywhere, which is why it was shown as an alternative. Changing your region can optimize travel routes, schedules, or any other region-specific functionalities the Moovit app provides. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Moovit tips and tricks.